Ito ang latest, chika mga mosang. Sa kabila ng mga toxic netizen o mga bashers, tinanong si Donnie Pangilinan kung sa palagay niya, the right person pa rin para sa kanya ang partner niyang si Bel Mariano. Ito nga ang naging sagot niya. There will come a time when your heart will no longer feel like something that needs to be defended. When your love will not be treated as a burden, but as a gift placed gently into open hands, the right person will not rush to understand you. They'll listen, they'll stay, they learn the language of your quiet fears and the stars behind your strength. They want us to make you shrink yourself to pieces just to fit into their world. Instead, they will make space and in that space, you will finally realize that love is not meant to be heavy when carried with the right hand. So the right person will know how to carry your love, not by gripping it tightly, but by honoring its weight and its story, its softness and its roughness. They will see your scars and not withdraw upon seeing it. They will explore them with patience and respect, aware that you are still healing from the times you were mishandled. And with them, you won't feel the need to prove that you are worthy or staying with, because their presence will already answer the question your heart has been asking for so long. So, when you meet that kind of love, you will understand why it never worked out with anyone who came before in your life. So, you will realize that your love has never been too much. It simply needed the right person's hands that lift gently, hold steadily, and never let your heart feel like a weight again. But a home finally carried with peace, a love that genuine. And a person who is willing to love you unconditionally. And a person who doesn't leave the moment things get heavy. And si Bilian, lagi ko siyang karamay sa lahat ng pagsubok o problema na dumarating sa akin.